Hey everyone! In the world of gaming laptops, the Acer Nitro V17 AI embodies a very specific concept: a large screen, cutting-edge hardware, and robust performance without veering into the ultra-expensive flagship realm. Although it is less expensive than the more expensive Acer Predator range, it never feels like a sacrifice in the most important areas. With a 17.3-inch computer, the true question is not just how powerful it is, but also if it can actually be used as a daily gadget or if it will become more akin to a semi-stationary desktop replacement. The Nitro V17 AI maintains a subdued gaming vibe in terms of design. The surfaces are dull, fingerprint-resistant, and devoid of gaudy accents. Excessive RGB drama and aggressive styling are absent. Rather, the appearance is clear and functional. One of the laptop's advantages is the port selection. A combo audio jack, USB Type-A ports, a microSD card reader, a security lock slot, and a 2.5G Ethernet port for quick wired networking are all located on the left side. There are more USB ports on the right, one of which allows external devices to be charged even while the laptop is not in use. With full-size keys and a separate numeric keypad, the keyboard layout is recognizable and cozy. Without going overboard, the WASD keys are graphically emphasized, adding a slight gaming flair. One of the main justifications for taking this model into consideration is the display. With a resolution of 2560 by 1440 and a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, the 17.3-inch panel achieves a really clever balance. 1440p looks crisp and detailed on a screen this size, without taxing the GPU as much as 4K would. The AMD Ryzen AI7-260 and other contemporary AMD chips power the Nitro V17 AI's internal components. With a 45-watt power envelope, this 8-core processor performs well in both office and gaming tasks. The laptop's true gaming personality is displayed on the dedicated graphics card, which is often set up with the GeForce RTX 5070 with 8 gigs of GDDR7 memory. It is a good match for the 1440p monitor, even though it isn't the most powerful version available in high-end versions. The system provides smooth frame rates in contemporary games at high or ultra settings without continuously taxing components. It's easy to multitask with 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. Gaming, creative apps, and lengthy internet sessions can all run concurrently without experiencing any problems. Large game libraries and professional files can be stored on two 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSDs. Thermals are managed with skill. Both the CPU and GPU function close to their intended load levels in intensive games without experiencing significant throttling. The temperatures stay within the typical norms for a powerful 17-inch gaming laptop. For this class, battery life is normal. Several hours of light work, including browsing, streaming, or document editing, are possible with the 76 watt-hours battery. However, it is obvious that the laptop is meant to be used while plugged in for intense jobs or gaming. So, the Acer Nitro V17 AI offers a well-considered blend of contemporary hardware, immersive large screen, and affordable pricing. It doesn't aim to match the blatant luxury of ultra-premium gaming machines. Rather, it concentrates on providing a robust 1440p gaming experience, good productivity, and practical networking in a well-rounded package. It presents a strong argument for consumers who value the comfort of a large screen and who desire a laptop that can be used as both a primary workstation and a competent gaming platform. For people who adore the 17-inch format, this model provides a useful and potent vision of what a contemporary gaming laptop ought to be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.